natural about being kept at home.
Well, I do know what is natural. Natural disasters.
But how are we going to make a natural disaster at home?
I know. Tornadoes in a jar.
Yeah!
Let's do it!
Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome video of Grey Finley Adventures. It's me, JFA Finn, and this is my brother, JFA Grey, and today we're going to be doing the tornado in a jar experiment. So first we get a jar and fill the water right up to about the middle. My mom has already done that for us.
Thank you.
Then we choose our colors. I'm going to go with pink.
And I
We only need a drop.
green. It's green. Doesn't look that much green from the outside, but it is.
We need a spoon after all this.
Bit more. There.
Step we're going to do is we're going to add a bit of dish soap.
And put it in there.
Right?
It looks very colorful.
It's
Mine
very
kind of looks like
swirly.
toxic waste, even though
Like
it isn't.
tons of algae on the bottom too.
Yeah.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some vinegar. Gray, will you add some to your jar?
How much?
Only like a little bit. We only need a little bit to get it going.
And yeah.
Here you go, Gray. And let's stir.
You go first.
Okay. If you could see this, stir in a perfect circle.
Whoa! Look at this! Do it again. Keep doing it.
Oh, cool. And it's causing a bubble, and the food coloring is letting us see it.
Okay, my turn.
This is Gray's green tornado in a
It
box.
looks
Go
like
as
chocolate.
furious as possible.
Whoa!
Okay, let go. Let go.
Stop stirring. Whoa!
I see.
Can you see it?
It's amazing.
Yay!
Let's add the pink. Brown. It's like a copper brown. Gray, stir, stir, stir.
Probably shouldn't do this without parent supervision.
That's like kale.
Wait. I want to put
If we put this in a can as a prank, Dr. Pepper, if we put this in a can as a prank, yeah,
No,
we're not doing
it's
it.
pretty
It's
green.
not edible.
No,
doing
it's
it.
pretty
It's not
green.
edible.
And all the colors.
Don't keep stirring.
It's going fast. It's hard to see it, but it is. Be careful.
I stirred the wrong way.
It's kind of hard to see it.
Yes.
The tornadoes have now rise to the surface of the water, and they've become a fuzzy mess of vinegar and.
I
All
definitely
right.
like
You want
this.
to try another round in a bit?
Yeah.
Ray, what have you picked?
I think I am going to pick lit orange.
We've learned from our mistakes not to choose a darker color, but we should learn from our mistakes not to choose a darker color, but we should not also add too much. Just
One drop, maybe?
little
It's pretty
orb
cool to
bouncing
watch
to the
that.
bottom.
It's like
Yeah.
a fireball.
That much.
Maybe quarter to a half a cup.
Oh my gosh, it just flared up. There,
It literally
well, it's
looks
still
like
there.
a root beer float.
No drinking this though. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Not with the soap.
Do not
Soap
drink
and vinegar.
this.
Oh my
gosh!
How?
Soon to not be water anymore. Okay, here I have my.
Never drink
Orange.
your tornado in a.
Good.
Take two.
Here we have it.
Section 2.
My glass of water.
How?
Soon to not be water anymore. Okay, here I have my.
Never drink
Orange.
your tornado in a jar.
Here I have my orange food coloring.
Take this too.
And I put it just the amount of thingies, which is the vanilla.
Oh, it's like fire.
They all look like fireballs. Yours looked like a root beer float when you mixed it up at first.
What's yours gonna look like? Orange cream soda?
I don't know. Again.
Going.
Go, 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 go. Let go. And it smells so so much liquid.
And stir
oh
it.
wow, that's
Stir
a
it
lot.
straight away, stir it straight away.
Okay,
Stir. Fast as you can, You're the gingerbread man.
Okay, almost there.
And release when you're ready.
You see it? Woo!
I see it.
Kind of fizzy.
Girl.
Just a non-edible. Do not drink this at home.
No.
Yet again, don't drink this anywhere, especially at home.
I hope you guys enjoyed this awesome episode of Grey Finley Adventures. Please like and subscribe if you want more of this. And we'll see you guys next time.
And the
Bye-bye.
final piece.
Wait, what? Wait, oh. Oh, no.